right, welcome to Level 1 Restoration Behind the Scenes. We're out here in the alley today with a once-in-a-lifetime lineup of 1970 Ram Air IV Judge Convertibles. This is amazing. We couldn't pass this opportunity up to get these all together in one spot and show everyone what we have going on over here at Level 1 Restoration. This first car is of a silver automatic, has door edge guards, a factory hood tack, formula wheel, tacking gauges, pretty cool car, nicely optioned, looks really cool in silver and black. There's one more silver and black car. It's a 4-speed car, belongs to the Brothers Collection. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get that out to the muscle car show this year, but it looks just like this car, only it's a 4-speed. So let's move on to the next car here. We've already had a look at this car on behind the scenes, but this is a 70, obviously, Ram Air IV Judge in Orbit Orange. And we have the top on this now. We talked about this before in the video, but we have, this is all done and everything's done. It's ready to go. And looking really good with its new top. Awesome car. Here we've got this, the only black Ram Air IV Judge convertible in 1970. There's some Ram Air 3 cars out there, but this is the only Ram Air 4. It's black over sandalwood, beautiful combination. It's really, this is just a great car. We restored this car back in, I think it was done in 2011, maybe even 10. It was quite a long time ago, but it's still looking great. And man, I don't know, love this one as well. Tilt wheel on this car, some other cool options. Coming up next, this one's probably got the most options. Pretty tough to beat, red on red, which is really cool. But this is tacking gauges. It has an 8-track, door edge guards. I don't know. It's, I mean, wow, what can you say? Ram Air IV Judge convertible. So a killer. All of these are awesome color combinations. None of them here that I don't love. Coming on back to the next one. We've had a look at this car already. This is a green on green car, sold new here in Colorado. Remote mirror, that one's a remote mirror. I see most of these have a remote mirror going up the aisle and looking at them. But here's our green on green one, beautiful. I mean, I would be proud to own one this color. It's pepper green, white, a lot of new old stock parts on that car. Then we have here, this is kind of the oddball. This is also a red on red white top, matches that Ram Air 4 up there. This is the 29,000 mile 455 Judge convertible that we'd taken a look at already, but here it is in the lineup for effect. All this going out to the 2024 Muscle Car and Corvette National. These cars, along with 4 more, I believe 3 or 4 more, will be on the red carpet. When you come in the building, you'll see all these judges all lined up there, which is just really an incredible thing. Feel so blessed that these customers trust me with these awesome cars. We really want to see you out there at the show. Come say hi, like and subscribe. Tell us what kind of videos you like. Just definitely get out to that show and see this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see a lot, not only these Ram Air IV Judge convertibles, but some of the best GTOs that you could hope to see will be at this year's show. Don't miss it.